When you hear the word quicksand, the first thing that comes to mind is sinking. But what many people don't realize: not everything that falls into quicksand sinks. In fact, sometimes, quicksand pushes things back up. How does that work? Quicksand isn't just ordinary sand. It's a mix of sand, water, and air. And that mixture turns into a semi-liquid state. It's not as solid as normal ground. But it's not as fluid as pure water either. When a heavy object falls onto quicksand, here's what happens. The weight of the object forces water and air to escape from beneath it. The sand particles pack tightly around the object. The result? The object sinks quickly, especially if it struggles or moves the wrong way. But, if the object is light or has a wide surface area, like a big piece of wood or a car tire, it can actually float on top of the quicksand, because its overall density is lower than that of the mixture. It's basically the same principle as floating in water. If your density is lower than the liquid, you float. If it's higher, you sink. Quicksand follows the same rules. Just slower, and much trickier. So next time you see quicksand, remember, not everything gets swallowed. Sometimes, the sand itself pushes things back to the surface instead of pulling them under.